Honestly, I know say plenty people they go through plenty things. And we know. And they go through things, and yet for outside, just they pretend like say everything they okay. They smile, they work hard, they do like say yes, he dey. Plenty people don't go back inside house, they sit down inside house because of why? Because of the way things be for them. They don't even just fit express it. Nothing. That's so bad reach when you dey for this Nigeria. You see, in particular, the men them. Wey be say pikin they ask, you go still struggle give your pikin, and yet no be say e dey. For those men them, I know say the same thing be for women, but you know say man no dey fit talk, man no dey speak out, no dey talk. All the men them wey dey there, wey dey pass through things, God go bless una.
Yeah.
I greet you, Engine Decker. I greet you.
The evil one of pastor.
I greet you. Well done. Well
done. We'll call you pastor.
No, my dear. You know say things they happen to people. Things they happen.
Now clothes they cover everything.
Clothes they cover.
Thank God for life. Life name be the cocoa.
Clothes they cover.
Thank God for life. Yes, so.
Thank God for life.
Yeah, well done, Daddy.
Thank you so much. Clothes now they cover everybody. Clothes they cover. When people open mouth, they tell you wetin and they pass through. Now clothes they cover.
Hello, yo.
I greet you, yo.
Good morning, my brother.
Morning, sir.
Well done, brother.
Yeah.
In fact, this topic this morning, just like as they don't talk about, now many of us there for that seat. The thing, see, you don't discover, say, if you watch, you see, say, you get many widows when they get husband again.
Yes.
See, the thing when man they swallow when they feel talk is plenty. You know, say, if the whole woman problem, woman go wrong go meet the husband. And he go settle the children. But if the whole man, woman go wrong go meet. Even those way go wrong go meet, they go even look and say, in fact, now they go even prefer to pity woman than to pity man. Say maybe problem.
Not true.
So that's why you see say men they swallow whole many things, 40 many things. They no go feel talk. Now in fact, it's just make God just prepare way for every man, make it take care of things. Because people they think of children, they think of wife, they think of house rent, they think of school fees, they think of this and that. Only my head. Yeah? Let God just help us.
I don't know whether schools don't resume now. They don't resume schools. They never resume. By the time when they resume school now, school fees matter go can enter. Some people now rent. Then December don't dey around the corner. Some only the men they carry the family. Some I know say plenty people now only the woman they carry the family. Some but this one I know they talk about women. Not just the men them. So make we not talk say some women. We they get plenty things for women normally. Now just men, make we concentrate on men them. Yeah. So some men them, just like that my first caller talk. He talk say a woman go there, he go still come back, come meet the husband. Children go come back, come meet the husband. This is man unko. Charlie boy talk and one day say make man learn to save money for old age. Save money for your own old age. Save money for your own old age. Because when una don old, God help your wife still dey alive. Now she go omugo. Now she go this. Now she go that. Only you go stay. You can't dey wait for pikin wey go send money to you. Yeah, and some people dey na shinap then they send to their papa, send money and clothes to their mama. We know say women go still use the money buy things keep for house. We know all those ones.
Okay,
yo, I humble.
Good morning, sir.
Morning to you.
Oga Drege.
Udo, you say.
Udo Drege.
You say.
This thing where they talk this morning, I just want to encourage men. You are the men, you people, we are the actors. We cannot die for this film. We cannot die.
At all.
God will make a way for us. No matter how it hard, God will make a way. All the men, they could not take heart. No matter anything where they happen, they could not keep on waiting that they do. God will make a way. Keep the flag. Carry the flag up. Don't bring and down.
unstoppable.
We are unstoppable. All the men, we are unstoppable. Nothing will stop us.
No, we are unstoppable.
We are unstoppable.
Thank you so much, my brother. Yes, so who did the phone line there? Oh,
Yeah.
I greet you. Good morning.
Now, mommy, you see from Ikorodu.
Well done, mommy.
My brother, to be a man is not a big job.
Yes,
to cover body.
Mm.
They see somebody walk up for road, and so they go to find who they talk. This is they thinking house rent. Get where they are side now. And give them from that to the end. No pay, they go grab an house. And then my brother, now only God, now go to sustain, now go see us through. Now the only advice I will give them, now make them just put all their hope in God. Now only God, because they go meet people, everybody self they manage.
Everybody self they manage.
They manage, my brother. See how the country come. Before if you run man like you go help you. Then now everybody they manage things as well.
Yo.
I greet you, yo.
My brother. I definitely talk.
Who they talk?
It's a topic.
Okay.
We are saying something about this morning. You know, women will tell you say themselves they carry load. Check any woman say they carry load. Check a relationship with the man family in North Korea. Make we this talk, enter talk. No go to that, but a man will talk about. You know the woman money, her money, her money,
our money.
So this topic we bring out. I'm so happy. I know people think like me after the thing. But well, they say a man's word, more carry up. And they say woman waiting and to help. If you don't want help, nobody will force you.
If you don't want help, nobody go force you.
Thank you, brother, for bringing this topic.
Thank you. Who did the phone line there?
Yo.
I greet you, yo.
I don't call before.
Yeah.
Yo, I beg, I will need this advice. You get somebody, I don't just want to measure somebody name, but that person is listening to radio right now. Thinking a lot of things surrounding him, and now developed chest pain, and there's no money for hospital. Which advice do you give?
The person they think too much.
Overthinking, and he has heart pain now, and no money to go for checkup.
Wow.
Which type of advice do you give that kind of person now? Like,
he need to dey alive first now. Problem no dey finish. Now so this song wey we just play finish be you.
He's listening to the radio now. You
Problem no dey finish o, nwanne abeg. Problems no dey finish. Una don hear am o. Make una help advise the guy. Problem no dey finish. Who dey the phone line there?
Hello. Yeah.
I greet you.
Good night.
Morning.
I want to encourage men. Let them try. Let God go help them. Especially some women. And then they put stress on their husbands. Some of them will help them. Don't see such a person, don't see such a person. But any man will marry better wife. God will keep them. With love, they will stay long. But now some women they make some men. They take back. When you're there with your wife, not back. Your wife will help you. The man will not be taken. And many women, they put their husband to trouble.
Many women follow put their husbands them for trouble for thinking too much. Thank you so much. Some men self they will be said if their wife will tell them say they won't work, the man go say no. He won't carry every load by himself. Yeah, so sometimes too no be just the women, no be just some men no they agree. You go say no, make you no do anything, make you dey sit down for house. So say good morning, Ogayo. Bookie from Igodo. I'm a single mother with a beautiful girl. Problem no dey finish. If problem finish, person don't die be that. Yes, so once problem don't finish, that means to say person don't die be that. I get one video when I get. I been say I go post them later self, not true. And now waiting the man talk inside the video be that. Actually, now waiting make me even start this whole talk today be that. Good morning to you, Mr. Yo. Men, the supposedly head the family are really suffering in silence. What you see everywhere is packaging. Yes, so nobody want to complain in order not to let himself down, James. And not true. Nobody won't complain so that they don't let themselves down.